Ready for your fishing trip?
Yeah.
Yeah, where are we going?
Portsmouth.
Portsmouth. Well, we're in Chichester Harbour, aren't we? And what are we going looking for? And how big are you going to catch a fish? How big bream? That big?
About that.
You reckon? Should we come back and see if you do? See all the birds? Mackerel. Could be mackerel, yeah.
They're not exactly the hardest bit of mechanics.
Alright, you missed it, Ollie.
Actually, no. Yeah, I've got something. Yeah, I'm trying to.
Little one, that one. You wouldn't have thought that was that small way hit the rod, would you?
Was it fighting you? Did it come off on it?
I think it has. It's gone really light. Oh, it has and everything.
Ah.
It's like, why do I feel anything on this one?
Holy moly.
Got it? Hey. Well done.
It's a nice one. No?
Thank you. He's chunky. Come here. Come hither.
The thing is when we do the Are you enjoying your fishing trip? What have you caught so far?
Bream.
How many? 10? It's a lot, isn't it? Don't know. Reel it then. Try it.
Hey, you get a bite?
She did. I hope I'm filming this because it's not showing me the preview.
Then maybe you're not.
Oh, that's so cool, Belle.
She's got a screw on.
Stop.
How big than your one?
Right, Belle, you've got to hold it. You've had before?
No.
I'm going to say that is smooth one.
You got smoother. Oh, you got a bass. Hey, it's a nice sized bass. That's your biggest bass.
I'm mildly offended. My ones have been quite small.
Best way to hold these, mate, is if
Oh, that was the weight in my head.
Knock mum out, do it. No, okay.
Right, got it? Really tight. Hold it fairly with the other hands. That's it. That's picture.
Right, this way.
Snake.